is an amazing opportunity for you to study in Europe for free, and this is a master's scholarship in Romania that covers your full tuition fee. They'll provide you monthly allowance and they also cover your accommodation. Unfortunately, they are not going to cover your visa cost and your travel cost. That is up to you to cover. So if this looks like what you would like to apply for, then you should begin to prepare your document to apply for the scholarship. This scholarship will open on the 23rd of February 2026, so you have a couple of days away, a couple of weeks away for you to prepare. So one thing I love to do here on my channel is, if I identify a good scholarship that I know will be open soon, I share the information with you guys early so you can prepare your document, because you want to be among the first few persons that are going to submit very strong and good applications, right? So the goal here is, I'm giving you the information now. Now it's your duty for you to go research more about the scholarship. So what I mean by research is, go identify the course you want to apply for and begin to gather your document. It's a very straightforward application process. At this particular university, they offer their courses in both the Romanian language and the English language. So if any of your preferred programs are taught in the Romanian language, you don't need to worry about that, because the scholarship will also cover the 1 year of your language training program before you begin your actual master's program. It's a very fantastic opportunity you should check out and apply for. And guys, there are so many more scholarships on the ScholarWaka website. Do not always wait for me to post a video before you check them out. There are lots opened every day, so do well to always check and submit as many applications as possible. And that's why I'm also here to share with you these opportunities through my YouTube channel and through ScholarWaka website. And of course, if you need any personalized support guide, then you can join my mentorship program. Right now, let me share my screen with you and I'll show you all you need to know about applying for this Romanian scholarship. If you have interest to study in Romania, Romania is a country in Europe. If you have interest to study in Romania, then you should check out this scholarship and submit your application. Okay, so let's go down the page for us to see more info about the scholarship. This is the Transilvania Academic Scholarship 2026, and it is for non-European students who want to pursue their master's program at this university in Romania. It is fully funded and it covers your full tuition fee. They'll give you free accommodation and also monthly allowance. Okay, and deadline for the scholarship is 10th of April. The opening date for the scholarship is 23rd of February, and you can begin to put together your documents before the application opens in few weeks. Okay, so down here you're going to see more info about the scholarship. Just take your time to come back to the ScholarWaka page to check info about the scholarship. And here's a video I made some weeks ago about the Ireland government scholarship. You should also check it out. Application is currently open and you should check out if you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. And as you can see on the side here, we have so many scholarships putting out on our website every day, so do well to always check to see what you need to apply for and how you should submit your application. Now let's go down to eligible candidates who can apply for the scholarship. The first one is you must be an international student. Second one is you must be applying for a full-time master's program at the university, and you should also complete the online application form, and all documents must be submitted in English language. And here is the full benefit for the scholarship. It covers only your full tuition fee, provide you accommodation, and also give you monthly stipend. Even during your holidays, you are also getting your monthly allowance. But for this particular scholarship, your travel cost and your visa cost will be covered by you. So please take note of that. It's a good one to apply for. And down here are the major documents you need to apply for the scholarship. You need your CV. You need a motivation letter, maximum of 1 page, which is good. That's not too much. and you need 3 recommendation letters which should be supporting your application. So the idea is for you to know about this information now and begin to prep your document before the application opens. So please work on your CV. Have a very good and standard CV. A motivation letter. Once you identify the course you want to apply for, you can begin to put together your own motivation letter. And for the recommendation letters as well, I always say that recommendation letter is a very key document for you to secure a scholarship. So please ensure that you get a good draft to those who wants to refer you for any scholarship. Write a very good draft for them, a very strong one. We also have more links here on our website, so do well to explore them and see information that will guide you as you apply for different scholarship. And then for how to apply, like I said, scholarship application is very, very easy and straightforward. You only need to go through their application link, which you can see here. Submit your document that we have just discussed and ensure that you submit them on time. Feel free to also join our scholarship mentorship class, because this is where I also do give detailed feedback, detailed review of your applications, and even dive deep into how applications should look like before you submit them. Info for you to join will be here. Just click on the link here and you are able to join my mentorship class. Trust me, it is worth your time and your investment. Okay, so let's go into now let's click on this link to take us to the official scholarship page so we can read more info about the scholarship. So everything you can see here is what you already saw on the ScholarWaka website. We have simplified everything for you. As you can see here, all the documents you need to apply for the scholarship, they are all here. Your CV, motivation letter, 3 recommendation. For the recommendation letter, I would say you can get 2 academic reference and 1 professional reference, or you get 1 academic and 2 professional. But ensure that it is talking about your astounding results. So when you give the draft to your recommenders or your referees, please give them a good draft so they can just sign for you and it is ready to be submitted. Every other thing you need is your degree certificate and transcript, which is very important. Since you're applying for a master's scholarship, you need to get your BSc certificate and BSc transcript. And once the application date is here with this link, it will take you to the official scholarship page where you can then begin your application. It is very straightforward. Another advice I have for you is you can also visit the school website to see the courses they have, because that will definitely be important for you to have the right document or prepare the right documents before the application opens. So what I would say is just follow me through how you can check for the list of different courses offered by the university for their master's program. So I've copied the name of the university. I'll just go to my browser, I'll paste it here, and let's see what comes up. So I'll just click on master's program, since we're just looking at master's program at the university. I'll click on master's program, and then you can see the list of the different master's program they have. They have courses in engineering, and then quality management, engineering and management, material engineering, system engineering, forestry. So you can see they have different courses here: mathematics, computer science, marketing, business administration. Yeah, so they have different programs here you can apply for. So what I would say is also have in educational science. So what I would say is just come here and check if you're going to find a course that aligns to what you're looking for. For those in the medical field, they also have something there for you as well. Just come here to see what you're looking for and use this information to begin to work on your document, so that once application opens, you know the course you want to apply for, and then you are already super ready to submit your application when the application opens. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Please do well to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and do not forget that on the ScholarWaka website we have lots more opportunities you can apply for. If you go to our homepage now, for instance, you're going to see so many more different new scholarship we have just posted. You can see lots of them that are here for you to check and apply for. Okay, and stick around, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, if you have not done so, please do subscribe. And all the best in your application. I'll see you on the next one.